Hi, you are watching UseWise channel. I'm Adriana Banning, CEO of Miadria, and here with me is Martin Varanek, our CTO.
Hi.
So today we'll be talking about text-to-speech on Amazon, Microsoft, and Google. This is quite an interesting topic. Can you tell us more about that, please?
There are many uses of converting text to speech, and lately Google made progress in a way that if you are using Google's WaveNet technology, it is almost impossible to recognize that it is not a person, it's actually computer-generated speech. So both Microsoft and Amazon implemented similar technologies for some of their voices, and there are also some other differences of what they can do. But with the advent of personal assistants like Alexa, voice assistants, it is very important to develop voice user interface. So part of that voice user interface is text to speech, where you can convert text to in a way that people really enjoy communicating with such devices. Of course, there are many other uses of such technologies.
Yeah, so when you watch some of the YouTube videos, not in our channel, some other channels, you can hear some of the artificially generated voices that sound really horrible. And this WaveNet technology by Google is really something completely different. How can a person that has never been introduced to the text-to-speech concept try those out and see how they sound like?
So it is very simple. There are many tools that are supporting text to speech. So Google has its own page where you can try all of their voices for a number of different languages. Some of the voices are done with artificial intelligence with WaveNet. Some are done in a classical approach, so you would immediately be able to recognize it was not it is not the person who is reading the text. Amazon also has Amazon Polly as a service, and Microsoft has its own text-to-speech voice service that is partly integrated with the new Edge browser. So if you are using at this time beta of Microsoft Edge browser, you would be able to read aloud text using some of their neural voices. So
yeah, and what surprised us a bit is that Amazon is in fact not really the leader in this field, even though they started earlier than others with Amazon. For instance, we are using it at home, and it's an integral part of our life so far. But
well, Google Home feels kind of more natural coming to text to speech. So, and it is a little bit more versatile regarding supported languages. If you're using Alexa, you can feel human touch. So obviously they put some effort using experts to improve Alexa, and they have a little bit more of integration with other APIs, tools, and services. And Microsoft, it's kind of not really having hardware that at this time would fully utilize their Azure capabilities.
Yeah, and Google has Google Home as well. So this is really an area where we will see for sure very interesting developments very soon, because this is really something that people are looking for this.
Yeah, so many industries like car industry are looking to develop a voice user interface so that you can actually speak to your car and get information back. In logistics, it's also used by many companies to enable workers in warehouses to communicate with their environment using voice so that they can have both hands free and they received feedback with text to speech. So of course, to utilize this fully, you need speech to text. It's also one of the services provided by public cloud vendors, but text to speech is something that you can hear, and we will be showing some of the capabilities in one of future videos.
Yeah, we are preparing a great demo video, so where you will be able to hear how those voices sound and to really see how it works in practice.
And compare different platforms.
Yeah, and compare for yourself, of course. So basically, is there anything else that you'd like to add now?
Yeah. Thank you for watching us, and if you have any project that would require text-to-speach capabilities, please feel free to contact us.
Yeah, thank you so much for watching, and sign up for our office hours on Friday if you would like some private time with us. Thank you so much. Bye.